Welcome to Faith's Fun House and Mommy Vlogs. So I'm going to take you guys along with me to the supermarket. If you're new, join the fam, subscribe, hit that bell so you won't miss out on any notifications when I upload a video. So guys, you saw the title, and yes, I'm feeding my family, a family of 5 with $10, y'all. So as of right now, I am going in this local supermarket, not a fancy supermarket. You know, we all have these type of supermarkets in our neighborhood, okay? So I'm just basically going in the meat department to see what I could scrape up with just $10. So as you can see, this is the meat department. I am entering, and yes, I see the pork chops, I see the ribs, I see some chicken breasts, I see some fat back, I see some pig feet, y'all. I see all these type of expensive meats. I did see some oxtails as well, but you know, I only have $10, so you know I gotta do what I gotta make it do, okay? I saw some hot dogs too, by the way. But feeding a family of 5 on a $10 budget, it's going to be a little challenging. So I decided to get some chicken. Okay, so I decided to pick up this pack of chicken thighs, which was like $2 and some change. They had it for $2.61, $2.31, $2.85, and all these little prices, right? So your girl picked up some chicken legs. Okay, that was like $2 and some change. And I got the chicken thighs, okay? So I said, maybe I could whip up something yummy for the kids when they get out of school after 3 o'clock, okay? I said, we need some rice, okay? I could get some rice for $2, y'all. They had this big old box for $5, but that wouldn't work because that would be over the budget. So I decided to go with 2 boxes of rice for like $1.99. I said, we need some vegetables too. So I saw the green beans and I saw some corn. So I was like, maybe we can get both, okay? So I picked up the green beans and I also picked up the corn. And I was like, I think we gonna make it, okay? So the register started ringing up $4.45, $6.73, and it kept going up. I was getting a little nervous up there, but boom, it was at $9.34. We made it, y'all. We made it. Okay, guys, I just made it back in from the store, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I got for $10. Basically, my total came to like $9 and some change, so I just made it on the nose, y'all. Okay, so we all know times are hard out here, and everybody's doing what they gotta do. You know, trying to afford this food in this high market is just ridiculous. But I'm just gonna show you what you can get with $10 to feed a family of 5. I got 2 boxes of Goya rice. I got the yellow. I got the Mexican rice chicken flavor. I got 1 can of corn. I tried to pick up that green beans, but that would have made me over $10. I got a pack of chicken legs for $2.25. And I got a pack of chicken thighs for $2.61. And this is what you can get to feed a family of 5 on a budget. You know, you got to get something to eat before payday. You scraping. I get it. It's rough out here in these streets. So I'm going to just whip this up real quick before the kids get out of school. So stay tuned. And I'm going to show you how I look after I cooked it. Okay, so my rice is fully cooked, it's done, and now I'm just gonna check on the chicken, make sure the chicken is done. I made the chicken in the air fryer. I roasted it, so it came out really nice and juicy. My corn is done. The kids love sweet corn. That is done. So this little meal did some justice, y'all. We got some rice. The kids love rice. I also found this sauce in my cabinet. Is a General Tso's sauce. It's like a sweet and sour taste. So I'm going to pour that over the chicken just to give it some flavor. I didn't have any more barbecue sauce, but I found this, and this is really good. Goes on anything you want to make. So we added that on top of the chicken to give it some flavor. And I left my daughter plain because she don't like sauces. She's real picky. So, and this what we had, y'all. Our $10 deal, y'all. Like I said, times is tough. Do what you have to do to survive out here. Okay, you can make a little chicken dinner for a family of 5 and live. I'm so happy you joined us. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.